Data innovation was formed around the idea that humans don't always make the best decisions. My co-founder, Craig Fenton, and I were really looking at what was happening during lockdown and realised there was something that was significantly more required in order to get people safely back into the offices. We came up with our idea of a platform called WorkSafe AI, using artificial intelligence to really understand the risk of people getting back into their offices. And when we look at COVID specifically, we're having to show people that their workplaces can contribute to viruses and diseases spreading, and how we can make that safer. Artificial intelligence can help, but artificial intelligence is not itself cognitive. But when you take human decision-making, human judgment, and add artificial intelligence, you've got something that could be really powerful. Our WorkSafe AI platform is designed to be used by architects and specialist designers to look at the risk of virus propagation inside a building and design it out. We saw a lot of the health and safety at work forms being filled in as a bit of a tick issue. How can people really kind of fill in that risk assessment if they don't really understand the risk, especially with something that's somewhat invisible? So we set out to make the invisible nature of COVID visible. In development of our WorkSafe AI platform, we'd spoken to many business leaders, and right now they can only figure out how to put 50% of the people back into their office space. And then folks going back to office, there's been several surveys that say roughly about 40% of people actually want to go back as they were. You can see there's a real demand for something that will help people either get back to their offices with confidence and enable business leaders to then say how many people can actually go back. As architects and building owners are looking at that platform, we should be able to look across all of those different designs that are being done and use machine learning to look at exemplars of excellence in design. That will then lead to opportunities for doing a lot of automation. We really feel that with our WorkSafe AI platform, we're able to do something that nobody else is doing. Take information that comes from building designs, take epidemiology, and take human movement, and then be able to use that for people to feel safe in their workplaces.